Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Blurry videos? Pixelated photos? Low-quality clips from your phone or old camera? In today's video, I'll show you how to enhance any video or photo. WinXvideo AI, a powerful AI-powered tool that transforms your media into sharp, high-quality content in just a few clicks. WinXvideo AI is a smart enhancement tool for Windows and Mac that uses artificial intelligence to upscale low-res videos to 1080p or 4K, sharpen blurry footage or images, remove noise and restore details, and improve lighting, contrast, and clarity automatically. One of the standout features is AI Super Resolution. This means you can take a 480p or 720p video, and WinXvideo AI will intelligently fill in the missing detail, making it look like native 1080p or even 4K. Download and install WinXvideo AI on your computer to test it. When you first open WinXvideo AI, you'll see a clean and simple interface divided into three major AI categories: Image AI for enhancing photos, upscaling, restoring faces, and even colorizing black and white images; Video AI to sharpen, denoise, and upscale videos up to 4K; Audio AI, ideal for improving voice clarity, removing background noise, and balancing audio levels. And right below those, you also get Video Converter to convert videos to any format, Downloader for saving videos from platforms, Recorder to screen record directly with built-in tools. Now, let's test Image AI first. If you've got old pictures, pixelated screenshots, or dark selfies, the AI can sharpen, denoise, and boost brightness for a cleaner result. Clicks plus add photo, or simply drag your image into the window. Let me target this other main function. And as we have seen before, you have the Super Resolution panel here, where you can increase the quality of your image. You can also improve photo quality in this panel. You can upscale photos to 4K. This is especially useful if you have old photos, trying to get them to 4K quality. Let's wait a tool that will generate for me a preview using the AI model. You can also scale images or photos up to 4 times. You can also enhance images, and WinXvideo AI also supports image restoration. To see the results, you can zoom the image or use the before and after preview feature to see more details of the image enhancement results from the WinXvideo AI tool. So let's open this functionality that is Video AI. Now, something to consider, which is absolutely important in order to use this tool, is that it's good if you have a very nice device so you can take advantage from your graphic cards. And this will increase definitely the final result. So now let's see on the right. It's the user interface is very straightforward. And down below, you have also the ability to enable super resolution if you want high quality mode or fast mode if you don't have so much time and you want to speed up the process and increasing the quality of your video. For example, I want to enhance this video. As you can see, this video is of poor quality. It looks like a 360-degree video, and I'll try to enhance it using WinXvideo AI. Simply drag and drop the video into the panel. This tool will automatically enhance with super resolution. In the side panel, you can select any enhancements you need, such as a model setting that can be increased up to 4 times. You can also upscale poor video quality to 1080p or even 4K. In this video, I'll try to upscale it to 1080p. Wait a few seconds and you'll see the results. Once successful, you can view the before and after. Or you can zoom in on the video to see the difference in more detail. Not only that, if your video is unstable and there's a lot of movement, but your footage doesn't support stabilization, you can use the stabilization feature. This feature will make your video smoother, as if it were recorded with a stabilizer or gimbal. With this tool, you no longer need a stabilizer on your camera because you can get that feature with WinXvideo AI. Pretty amazing, right? You can also increase the frame rate from 25 FPS to 60 FPS to stabilize the video. This is a feature I really like, as not many tools can do this. Now, ready to enhance your videos? Try WinXvideo AI now. You can check the link download on description to get special price. Download the app, try it out yourself, and bring your old footage back to life. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your results or questions. Thanks for watching and happy enhancing.